So today is 21st July 2026. Our NEET exam is on 30th August 2026 and we have 40 days in hand. Only 40 days in hand. I'll be telling you 4 things that we must do at this stage now. First is showing up every day. Gone are those days जब आप बोलोगे एटलीस्ट मैं 5 घंटे तो पढ़ा, 6 घंटे तो पढ़ा, मन नहीं करा था तो भी पढ़ा. Come on, we are at 40 days left to NEET PG state now. We have to invest, around 12 to 14 hours. That's what our coaching teachers say. So मैंने एक realistic target अपना बनाया है. Showing up 30 day, doing 10 hours every day. और मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. You have to open timer. ठीक है, टाइमर में दिखना चाहिए कि हाँ आप रोज 10 घंटे पढ़े हो. And you also have to be accountable to someone. We are human beings. We have flaws within. जब तक हम किसी को दिखाएंगे नहीं, हम किसी को बोलेंगे नहीं, उतना सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन नहीं आता है. Let's be very practical about it. मुझे नहीं आता है. So open a timer. At the end of the day, it should show 10 hours a day, and you should be accountable to someone. ठीक है. इस टाइम पे I know quality is always more important than quality, but इस टाइम पे you have to show 10 hours every day. This is a quality undistracted study time, okay? So yeah, second thing, the gold PYQs and PYTs very important. और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जिस भी स्टेट ऑफ प्रेपरेशन में आप हो, स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, मिडिल में हो, बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर रहे हो, दिस इज टू बी डन बाय एवरीबडी. Okay, so I'll do a mix bag custom module 1 during lunch or dinner. मैं एक time free रखना चाहती हूँ for some relaxation with my family and TV. So either lunch or dinner. Also, I'll be utilizing time to solve PYQs. Okay, and then I'll watch the recall videos, and these are really very important. This also acts like your TND. So I would definitely recommend you to watch it. Like आप वीडियो चला दिए, क्वेश्चन आया, अपनी सोच रखी ये आंसर मैं क्यों मार्क कर रहा हूँ, ये आंसर मार्क किया, एंड देन यू सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो देन एंड देयर इट एक्ट्स लाइक अ TND फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ वी ऑल्सो कैन डू दिस इन आवर पैसिव टाइम. पढ़ने का मन नहीं करे, बस ओपन कर लिया ऐप को और फिर देख लिया. या calmness is very important at this point of time. Like it's very very important. So we can meditate. We should always be grateful to God, and at the end of the day, glad practice है उसको करना. Glad practice मतलब क्या? G is again grateful. So in the morning you're grateful to God for the good things that you have in life, right? And रात को you're grateful for the things that you did it today. Okay, this is a daily practice. L, what did you learn today? Something new. A, that is accomplished. You made a target for yourself and you accomplished that. Write it down. Okay. And D is delighted. You got delighted over something in the entire day. So write this down, okay? And the non-negotiable, the biggest weapon, the most important of all, the choti copy. This is your biggest weapon now, okay? इसको every day हमें पढ़ना without fail. We are brushing every day, right? We're eating every day, right? We're studying every day, right? We're sleeping every day, right? Choti copy every day. Early in the morning. I prefer early in the morning. Okay. मेरे पास 5 minutes ही है अगर from starting my normal routine. नहीं भी है, at least if I'm sitting down at my desk at 9 AM, जो भी हो, the first thing that I'll read is choti copy. Very important. And yeah, this is the biggest weapon as I told you. So yeah, these things I would be doing in my 40 days. I know plans change, but we'll stick to it to the best of possible. And yeah, we can do this together. Come on, let's do it together.